Okay, we're going to begin by making our proportion box. Look to see in the problem if you can see if it's an increase or a decrease, or if it's just a total. If we look carefully, they're talking about a 30% profit. That is an increase. That means we're going to be adding. A profit means how much money will I make? For example, we are going to begin with $11.50. There's a 30% profit. We don't put the 30 here because the percent goes on this side. This is the 30%. 30% means out of 100. The 100 is being compared to the beginning amount of $1.50. Now, this little box here will give us the profit, but if we look at the question is not asking for the profit. The question says, what should they charge for the retail price? And this is the question. This is the new. Okay, so we started out with what? We started with $11.50. That's the actual amount. We're going to increase it. So we're going to go up. And then this is going to be the selling price. You're going to make a profit. You want to earn money. Let's do our calculation. We're going to multiply diagonally. Take 11. I'm going to go ahead and keep that 0 there just for students that might be struggling. I'm just going to leave it 11.50, but if you you can take away the 0. It makes it a lot easier. And then remember always, we're going to be dividing by what? The other number in this case being 100. Now this gets tricky, guys. This 0 is after the decimal point. So you cannot cancel this 0 with this 0. This is right here. So you could cancel this 0 with that 0. That's dividing by 10. This 0, since it's behind the decimal point here, it's not really needed. So let's go ahead and remove that one. We could have removed it over here. And then we would have had 11.5 times 3 instead of 30. Now, if you see anything else you can reduce, you could do that. But since it's a decimal, I'm just going to go top times top. So I'm going to take 11.5 times 3. Just remember to count one digit after decimal point and then move. So 11.5 times 3 is 34.5. We're going to divide by 10. If you recall how to divide by powers of 10 mentally, you count the number of zeros. There's 1 0. So you're going to move this decimal point back 1 space. There are other ways to divide, and that's perfectly fine. So we get a profit of $3.45. One reason I like this tic-tac-toe box is because we can line up our decimal points, and we know that we're going to add. So we can simply add it right here. And I'm going to add the 5 plus the 0, line up decimal points. This is a 9. 3 plus 1 is 4, and then the 1. Now, that's the selling price. So remember, that's the price that they want. In this particular question, that's the answer. So click on that answer. However, you can see that if you would have done it another way, you might have made a mistake and got this, which is the profit. How much money did I make? I made $3.45. So if I go and try to sell something, I buy it, I have to purchase it. I purchase it at the store for $11.50. If I sell it for the same amount, I don't make any money. So I'm going to mark up. It's also called a markup. I mark it up by 30%. That compares it to 100. So here we marked it up $3.45, but we're going to sell it for the retail price. We're going to sell it for $14.95. Hope that helps.